Hi, I'm Karen Thompson. I'm a long arm quilter and a rep for APQS in the Northland of Kansas City. And I wanted to show you how to bring files into Quilt Path. All right. First thing we need to do is you must have Quilt Path pulled up in order to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and I have saved a file that I want to import onto a flash drive. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Okay, so my flash drive is in. What just pulled up, this is Windows, and it pulled up the Windows program. Now I'm gonna go ahead and X out because that's not what I want. I want to pull up a non-GPF file. I want to show you, if you've imported or purchased other files other than GPF, what you can do. CQP is the first preferred, and that's what I've imported. So I'm going to pull up Pattern CAD, and it'll take just a second. It's launching. And now I want to bring my pattern in. I like to do it in Pattern CAD especially because I'm going to save it. So I need to go over here to plugins and I'm going to hit batch import. You don't have to use batch import for just one, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. So I'll select batch import. Now, right now I am looking at my C drive. I put in a thumb drive and that's where my file is. So I need to change my drive, and I happen to name my thumb drive long arm. So I'm going to click on it. I've been quilting for a while, so I have quite a few files on this. I want to import one called String of Hearts. So I'm going to scroll down until I see String of Hearts. And I looked at it a few minutes ago and it takes a bit. Here we go, String of Hearts. So I'm going to click on it. I want to show you something. This I import using Mac. I'm a Mac girl. I've got PC at work, but I really enjoy my Mac. You will notice there are two different files. Mac, I don't know why they do that. I've yet to get a really good reason, and it's my understanding all Macs don't do it. Mine does. Will you really zoom in on these two right here? There are two files that say the same thing. One says string of heart, string dash of dash hearts e to e dot CQP. The other one has a dot underscore. For some reason, Mac will add that. Do not select that file. I've never heard of anyone having this problem that's using PC. Only Mac users. So the first time I saw this, I totally freaked out. Had to call the Quilt Path guru Angela in Raleigh, and she's like, "Not to worry, it's okay." So I'm going to select String of Hearts, and it starts importing. Now, if I had more than one file, I could do it all at the same time. I'm only doing one right now. My batch import is complete. It tells me where it is, so I'm just going to hit OK. Do I want to import any more? Nah, not right now. So I'm going to say no, and I'm going to X out. Now I want to check my file. So I'm going to select pattern. I don't have any work. I don't want to save anyway. And remember, it said it was in patterns and batch. I happen to be there already. And I'm just gonna, there's my pattern that I just imported. I'm gonna click on it. And it's gonna open up, and it looks a little bit like a blood clot right now. That's not original to me, but I thought it was pretty clever. So if I click nodes, it goes off, and there is the pattern that I want. At this point, I want to save my pattern so that I don't have to go through all of this every time. It is showing up as a Grace product file, as a GPF, so my Quilt Path can read it. So I'm just going to save it. Now I need to decide where to save it. I use this pattern a lot, so I'm going to save it directly in my continuous line, and I'm going to call it String of Hearts. And I can put the dash in it. And I hit enter and save. I'm not, let's hit tap save again, and it's saved. We can double check, see if it's there. I can do pantograph. I'll just pretend, you know, I've got to set my safe area. Whoops, I didn't hit the right buttons. Top left, bottom right. And I can hit select pattern, and let's see if it's there. Do we see String of Hearts? STRI, there it is right there. And it's saved. Anyway, any other videos you'd like to see, just email me. I'm Karen at thompsontrio.com. Be happy to record and help you out. Thanks. Bye.